what I do, and this will show you the value of affiliate marketing websites and how you can actually shortcut your success to affiliate marketing and how you can get affiliate marketing websites quicker that are already actually making money. And this is a great way to build an affiliate marketing portfolio and to build an affiliate marketing income online that's already established and you can already start making money right away. So make sure you stay tuned because this is a very good video and this is one of the ways that I use to quickly make affiliate marketing commissions and build them up over time and build a solid business that's very valuable that makes me money for days, months, weeks, and even years to come. Now, if you want more videos on affiliate marketing every single week, make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. We're about to get into this video, but we need to first do the giveaway. So the giveaway is what you need to do in this video to get free access to all of my courses. We're going to be picking a winner in the next video, and the winners from the last video are below in the pinned comment section. What you need to do is write in the comments below is best affiliate marketing network is, and then smash that like button and we'll be picking a winner in the next video. Now this can be any affiliate marketing network, whatever one is your favorite. ClickBank, Amazon, CJ Marketplace, I think it is, Share a Sale. There's lots of affiliate marketing networks out there that you can finish this sentence with, and then hit the like button and I'll pick a winner in the next video. So let's jump into this video, guys. We're not going to have a long intro. I'm going to show you exactly how I shortcut my affiliate marketing commissions, and I'm going to take you through the exact process of actually doing this and how I find valuable affiliate marketing websites that make me money. All right, guys, so in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I go out and find websites that I want to purchase that are already making money. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, when you find a website that's already making money, you save months of work. So when you start an affiliate marketing website, a lot of the times you have to put up articles, you have to do research, you have to put up pictures, you have to put up a lot of stuff that can take a lot of time to do. And not only that, it can usually take 3, 4, 5, or even 6 months to start getting traffic when you start a website. So it's a good idea, if it makes sense, to go and buy a website that's already making money because you're going to start making money instantly and you're going to save all of that time. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video is going through what I look for, and it might be different for you. The place that I actually find websites is flipper.com. Now, generally, I don't use anything else. Sometimes I'll use a website or domain broker if I'm doing a big deal that's costing me a couple of $100,000. But Flipper is a great place to go and find established affiliate marketing websites that you can make money from. Now, on Flipper, all you do is you go to browse and you've got websites, apps, domains, and some other stuff. So this is flipper.com and there's websites for sale. All I do is I go to websites and established websites. And on established websites, we want to go to established websites because we want to go to websites that have been online for quite some time, they have some profit, and they have some traffic. So you essentially can scroll down and I'll kind of explain to you what I look for. So when I scroll down, I instantly look at the names. So for example, if there's a real long name like thegalaxyproducts.com or ratemyphysiotherapist.com, I don't really mess with any of that usually. So I look for nice, clean names, and then I look at the monetization, okay? So we have Amazon, which is an affiliate marketing one. That's one of the main ones that I go for, Amazon. And then sometimes it'll say affiliate. Sometimes AdSense ones are okay because AdSense, you have ads running and you can also have affiliate marketing links, so they're okay as well. Now, typically when you're buying a website from flipper.com, you're probably going to be buying one that is monetization with Amazon if you're looking for affiliate marketing websites. It's very rare for a website to be on here that does affiliate marketing with ClickBank and stuff like that because people make so much money from those, they usually don't actually want to sell them. So it's very hard. And if they do, they usually use a broker and sell it privately or on other websites, okay? But as you can see, Amazon and things like that. Now, another thing to look at, guys, is actually the asking price. Usually they're ridiculous. I usually value the websites myself and decide what I want to pay. And if people are asking for too much and you don't want to pay for them, don't do it. But it goes off what we call a multiple, okay? And a multiple is the current price divided by annual net profit. Now, I usually go for websites that are making around about $1,000 or more per month, and websites that I can actually improve on to make money from. So let's go through and I'll actually show you the process that I do to decide whether I want to buy a website or not. So we're going to use this website for an example. It's a pretty good website. It's usually what I go for. It's pretty much exactly what I go for. And here's some kind of criterias. So the first thing you want to do, and this is the biggest indicator to me, is the traffic. This is the first thing, and I'll tell you why I go for this first. So you'll see on this website, the traffic has been increasing over time. This is a good thing. A lot of the times on this website, you'll see that traffic's gone up and then it's slowly dying. This is a website you don't want to buy if you see that, and I leave straight away. We want to buy websites that actually have good traffic growth and they are continuing to grow. And actually, if we look here, it's had a pretty good spike in the last 2 months of last year. So this is another good indicator to me. It means that Google is doing its job and it's starting to get it traffic and even more traffic over time. So traffic is the number one indicator that I look at first. If it's getting a good steady growth of traffic, then I'm interested to start looking deeper into this website. Now, I would recommend that you actually ask the person to let you verify the traffic by going into their analytics. You can do that by going down and asking in the comment section, okay? It's very easy to do. Now, the next step is actually looking at the profits. I didn't write it down here, but the next step is you want to see the earnings, okay? Now, this website here is making around about $900 per month, and you can actually scroll down and you'll see that it's been increasing, okay? In December, it actually did $1,500 according to this. So it's been increasing, which is good as well. And if you scroll down, they have, so here's the earnings here actually. So the earnings are increasing. That's a good thing. And if you scroll down to here, you can actually see all of the earnings here. So proof of revenue and profit and loss statements. Now there's also all of this information that you're gonna want to read. Now this is, a lot of times they put in stuff that doesn't really matter. I usually have a quick read, and if all of my other stuff checks out, then I come back and read this more. So the next step is one thing that I do, and a lot of people do not do this, is to work out the value of the content on the website. The reason I do this is because I pay people to write content for me. So if I can work out how much content is on this website and the value of it, then I instantly can get a pretty good idea of how much I want to pay for this website. They have, let's say, page 6. We work out how many articles they have. So let's just go page 5. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just say 10 per page and 6 pages, say 60 articles. I'm not entirely sure if this is included on the page. See, these are actually featured stuff, so that'll be on every single page. We want to count the stuff down here. I just want to get a ballpark of how much content there is. So if I take all of this here, and it's good that the articles are 3 years old because it means they're aged, and I put this into here, we have 1,153 words. So I'm going to say 1,100 times 60. This is a rough estimation. Now I pay around about, I think 55, maybe probably I'd say $70 per 2,000 words. So let's just say $35 times 1,000 words. So I would go and do, that's 66,000. So I would times 35 times 66. So 35 times 66 equals 2,310. So now I instantly know that, hey, this article roughly, this website roughly has around about $2,000 worth of articles on it. That's what I would need to spend straight away if I was to start a brand new website to get it to this level. So that's a very important metric to me. I need to know how much, and it doesn't need to be spot on, just an estimation, how much this website, how much kind of content it has on it. Now, the next step is I want to see what type of backlinks this website has. This is a very important thing as well. So what I do is I use a website called ahrefs.com, and I put in the thing here. and we can see that its traffic is doing pretty good. But more importantly, I want to go to referring domains, and then I want to go from domain rank. The reason I want to do that is I want to see if it's got any strong backlinks from strong websites. That's all I care about when I'm doing this type of stuff. So it's got a backlink from WikiHow, which is pretty good. Angelus.com, what websites are. But I'm more looking for domain rank. And let's see it's got a backlink from this website, and it's got some backlinks. Now, it doesn't have a lot of high authority domain backlinks, but the website isn't really that expensive at this point of time. It's probably going to go up quite a bit more when it ends in 5 days, but it's got good backlinks from what I can see. You go through, but it's got like 12 pages of backlinks, but a lot of them are small. So I don't really care about these low domain rank websites, but I just keep going, and 20 is not too bad. So I know that it's got at least 1 to 3 pages of good quality, high rank domains linking back to it. Now, you would actually need to go through and have a look, and I would literally go through every single one, and there's no spammy websites or anything like that. And go through and literally have a look and see what kind of backlink it is. But I don't really worry too much about it because this website has traffic coming in and it has money coming in and it's increasing. So all I want to know is that it doesn't have any spammy links or not a lot of spammy links, and it's got a few high domain rank backlinks. Now, the next thing I want to do is, can I make improvements? You can literally buy websites and you can make improvements and double the income within a week or triple. So yes, I could actually make a lot of improvements on this website. I think it needs a new, better theme, okay? I think that it needs to just look better. It needs to function better. We could put some buttons in here instead of these. We could really make this work and function better. So yeah, this is definitely a website that I can make improvements on, and I could probably at least increase the income of this website by 20 or 30% just by doing some basic things like changing the theme and making it clickable with more call to actions and just making it an overall better experience for people. So that's a tick. The next one is website speed, which is extremely important. So what you want to do to actually do your test is you want to find a random article and actually test the article. You don't want to test the web, you don't just want to test this name here because it's just going to test that page. We want to actually go to this website here and we want to test a specific article because that's where people are visiting. We want to see the speed of a specific article or multiple articles on that website. Okay, so I'll come back when this is done. All right, so I'm back and it's not good news, but it's good news. So the website loads pretty quickly, which is good news for us. We don't have to do much work, but if it loaded slower, then we know that we could improve it and probably get better rankings. But the reason it's maybe getting good rankings is because it's got a good speed. But I did notice down here that it says use a content delivery network. Once I implement a CDN, I could potentially make the website a little bit quicker. But everything else looks pretty good on this particular article, and the performance-wise, if we go to performance here, everything's pretty good. We don't really need to fix anything on this. The speed index could probably be worked on a little bit, but as far as speed goes, this website's pretty good. So we wouldn't have to really mess with any of that. Hopefully, if we installed a better theme, it would stay like that. The next thing is, all right, guys, now we have to look at what I think this website is worth. Now, I just had to sit down because my back is actually in a lot of pain from standing up. But what I think the site is worth, now the way I value websites is a lot different to everybody else. I value websites based off traffic, based off backlinks, and based off the income that it's getting. So when a lot of people buy websites, they'll say, oh, well, it's making this much money, so I'm going to pay this much for it. Now, keep in mind that I do have quite a lot of cash to put into websites because I treat websites as an investment. So like an investment property, I plan to make money as time goes on, right? Like I don't plan to make my investment back quite quickly. So I don't mind paying a high price for websites because I know that it's an investment. It's going to pay me for years down the track as long as I look after it. So the way I base my pricing is I don't really care what I pay for websites right now, to be honest. But you also got to keep in mind that websites are going for quite a lot of money now because people are seeing them as an investment. So the first thing I look at is the backlinks. If it has good backlinks, I'm willing to pay a little bit more because good backlinks are very, very valuable. If the traffic is going up, I'm prepared to pay a little bit more because that's valuable to me. Now, the next thing I go off is usually, this website made $1,500 in December. Now, it was Christmas, so that's probably why it was so high. So I'm going to base it off $800 per month. So that's like, let's just say $10,000 per year. That's $20,000 in 2 years. When I buy a website, I try to base my price off making my money back in 1 or 2 years. Okay. So right now, if we go off this, the current price is $10,000. You would probably make that back in around about 1 year. Okay. You'll probably make it back quicker if you put more work into the website. My stretch is if it really depends on a lot of stuff, but if a website has good backlinks, good traffic, I'm willing to pay up to around about 2 or more, or even more, 2 to 2.5 years worth of the income that it's going to get. So basically what I'm willing to do for this website is I'm willing to go to maybe $20,000 or $30,000 because I know that in 2 years, I'll be able to make back that $20,000 or $30,000 or even sooner. Everyone has different types of ways they value websites. And the age of the website also matters to me quite a lot. This website's 5 years old. It's mature. So that is also valuable to me. So it really depends on what's valuable to you. Don't just look at a website and go, okay, it's making $500 per month. I'm only willing to pay $10,000, $20,000 for that. There is other value that you can find in these websites that you could potentially justify a higher price for. The next one is always check the comments. The reason why, and there's an example here, is sometimes people will ask questions or they'll find something wrong or something like that. And it can actually make you aware of something that might make you not buy the website. So for example, this guy says, did you buy the Facebook likes on the page? There's 0 interaction from the 1,000 followers. So if you're interested in this website because of the Facebook page, they might have fake followers. So that could be something that puts you off. It doesn't bother me, but that could be something that puts you off. I've actually noticed in the comments sometimes people have found out that their earnings are fake. Okay, or the traffic is fake. So it's very important that you read the comments section before you actually purchase one of these websites. But more importantly, the value depends on what you value in these websites. I value traffic, backlinks, earning growth, age of the website, how long it's been up, and also how much content is on the website as well. Because if there's $10,000 worth of articles, that's $10,000 I don't have to actually spend when I buy the website because I've already done that. All right, guys. So that's what I do to go and find websites that I can buy to make money online. If you want some more free tutorials, click the videos on the screen that will take you through to those tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Any questions, let me know below. I'll see you on the video on the right.